Hey y'all, Johnny Mullet here. Another update on the bus build, episode 9. Fantastic fan install and solar panels. So I got both the solar panels installed on the roof of the bus on the passenger side. And we got the fantastic fan. She's all installed, all sealed up. And the electrical cables for the solar panels are also sealed up. And we also went around and sealed up anything else that looked like, it might need attention. So there's the connectors right there. As you can see here, we got this lap sealant in the screws and all the way around. Let me take you inside. Let's see. Sorry about the mess inside the bus here. We've been busy working and all, but this here is the garnish for the fantastic fan, and there's the fan right there installed. Right here's the switch for 3 speeds. You got your fuse here, and this knob here allows you to open the vent cover just like that. Pretty sweet, huh? The only thing I don't like about the fan is when you let the cover down, see how it kind of bounces on the way down? It's the only complaint I have. It's not a terrible thing, but it is what it is. And let's see, I also got a skylight here. And the skylight's going to go up probably above the shower. And I got my 33-gallon water tank right there. So my next step will be getting some plumbing done and all that. The wiring for the fan is, I got this 2-way wire run down through the panel, and I got these two. I got to splice them in and pull them through. And I also got the solar, I can't see in there very well, but those cables run right down this panel here, and they're going to run across here and into my power distribution box. So I got to get that stuff going too. So that's as far as I got. Yesterday I took advantage of the weather because, hey, it was warm. It was almost 50 degrees. It was sunny. And today we're supposed to get 5 to 8 inches of snow this afternoon. So got to do what you can. I didn't get the Max Air vent cover on yet. We kind of ran out of daylight. But I can save that for a, future project. And that's where I'm at so far with episode 9. And let me take you in the house and I'll show you some more goodies. Okay. Pick out the jacket. Fear the mullet. Anyway, it's not too often you see me with a hat, but I was having a bad hair day, so, even guys with mullets have bad hair days, right? Anyway, real quick, some more goodies from Amazon. This is going to be, right here, my water inlet. So, take your hose, fill up your water tank. Pretty self-explanatory. I got a filter for the water system, and 50 foot of PEX. And 50 foot is more than enough, but I wanted to make sure I had enough. I also got this Baylite 12-volt water pump. Now this dinky little pump might not look like much, and it's cheap, but according to the reviews on Amazon, this is a great little pump. So the only complaints was it's noisy. But where I'm going to have it mounted, you're probably not going to hear it much. So I got a good location I want to put that. And this baby here is the shit. This is my 1500 watt pure sine wave power inverter, and this 3000 watt peak, and it's a really nice unit, and it comes with the positive and negative cables for your battery. And my favorite thing about this, it has a remote power switch. So if I have this mounted inside that cabinet, I don't have to open the cabinet and reach in to turn it on. I can just simply turn the power inverter on remotely. Awesome. I really like it. This is going to be more than enough power to run whatever I'm going to run in that bus. Anything 110 volt Be like the refrigerator, coffee pot, maybe a 700 watt microwave, but yeah, pretty awesome. So that's today's update. Just wanted to share with you what we got going on. Like I said, I took advantage of the weather. I'm glad I got that stuff done. Still debating on the insulation in the ceiling. I've heard it from both sides. People are like, no man, you can insulate that ceiling all you want. You got those factory single pane windows in there, you're wasting your time. And you know, other guys are like, oh no, the more insulation the better. And you know, it's a toss-up. I have no idea where I'm going with it. So I don't know. I'll keep you posted. How about that? Next video, I'll let you know what I decide on the ceiling. I did not find water damage on that back piece of plywood. What happened was that back piece of plywood came delaminated. And running that propane heater in there causes a little moisture and condensation. And that thin piece of laminate warped. So it wasn't water damage, which is a good thing. So I still toss up on the ceiling. I don't know what I'm doing with it. You know, I understand what my construction buddy was telling me. You know, you can insulate the hell out of it. If you're going to keep those factory windows, you're wasting your time. So I don't know, man.